Hello everyone, Johar. This is Eleen from India and I am here to share my experience on and my reviews on the CLAP SDG-16 workshop, which I recently got as an opportunity to attend. First of all, I would like to thank our facilitator for the workshop, Tirkey sir. Very thanks to him for enlightening us with his knowledge of SDG and its goals and its aims and when it was adopted and what was the reason behind adopting it and formation. And also we throughout the workshop we learned a lot through breakouts and ice breaking. We were divided into different groups and we had to research and we were given homework. These 4 days of workshop was really very knowledgeable because we went through different aspects and different perspectives of goals and we tried to research on those topics and the questions and in our country and also outside the country. We also got to know many movements and the justice protests and fights all over the world, not only in our own country, but from different countries also. And also we got to connect with different people hailing from different states and different countries. A very knowledgeable workshop. Thanks. I want more of such workshops. Thanks for organizing these workshops. Thank you.